then Harsha asks, can we use the same brand name in different niches?
I love this one. So I've touched on this before. Absolutely, as long as you were really smart about when you branded. So like I always tell a story out. When we started out, we branded specifically for the category that we started selling in, and how I said that was the stupidest thing we've ever done. Luckily, our second brand, we went back and we did something super short, generic, easy to remember, and it can be pretty much for anything. That's what I suggest, especially right now if you're starting out, if you don't have your trademark yet, go and get something. The best place to start would probably be like domain. Go find a short domain that you can get a hold of, and then just brand it like that. Yeah, that's my best advice is to go kind of generic on the branding, and then that way, at least for Amazon, and everyone always is generic. That's not generic, meaning it can be, it's not specific to the brand or the type of product. And if it's short and memorable, I think those are a winning combination. That's how I would do it.
So I think though, what she's worried about is having the same product in multiple categories and it appearing to be the same product and coming from the same brand name.
So Amazon does frown on that, but if you read their terms of service, they're very specific about if the product is different at all, like at all, which like I said, you change the packaging slightly, there's nothing they can do about it. I mean, that's fair game. It's a different product. It's packaged differently. You could even change the brand name. But to me,
you could keep the same brand name and just change the product title and literally just change the color card or the insert that goes in there and just change the product title. That's all you'd have to do. And now suddenly my cat toys are not just cat toys, but now they're the Christmas gift for your cat.
Exactly. Yep. You could brand it for occasions. You could brand it for, specific types of people, whatever, say if you're, you want one to be targeted to women, one to be targeted to men, there's all kinds of different, or if you're selling like our favorite thing, a water bottle, maybe you want to market your water bottle as a sports water bottle for cyclists. There's lots of opportunity in just packaging and messaging that you can really do on Amazon, which people never think about or utilize.
Yes, definitely. And I've done that before with people who have really saturated products. And I've done an example of this, like the felt boards. The felt boards were huge. Everybody was selling these damn felt boards, but nobody was selling them as wedding signs or out of office signs. So that's what I did. I rewrote people's listings, out of office sign. We sent that, sent it right back in as a different, basically a different product, or you just rewrite the listing. And, if you're not wanting to sell in the multiple channels, you can just rewrite the listing and kind of rebrand it as that. But there's so many opportunities, and think about really popular products right now that a lot of people are launching, like the weighted blankets. What are the different markets you could sell those to? There's a ton of different opportunities, that kind of stuff that's really trending products. Think about all of the markets, and this is where your hook and pitch comes in. This is where it matters, because there's going to be a specific customer that is looking for that, and looking at the things that people buy together, right? Scroll down in the listing and look at what things people buy together, frequently bought together. You have an instant bundle created right there for you. So, think about marketing to those people and understanding that market a little bit better, and you're going to nail it every time.